Yeah, don't knock the tripod over, Pilot. Oh, good dog. Oh. Pilot, it's story time. You ready for a story, buddy? Yeah. Good dog. Pilot, your story this week? And then it's spring. I know, it's a good book. And what? Oh, you want to see the picture, sorry. Is that better? That's good. And then it's spring. First, you have brown. All around, you have brown. Then, there are seeds. Look, Pilot, there's a dog. And a wish for rain. And then it rains. And it is still brown, but a very hopeful, possible sort of brown. And is that a little green? No, it's just brown. Sort of brown. Then it's a week. It's still very brown. And you worry about those little seeds. And if maybe it was the birds? Yeah, maybe it was the birds. There you go. Or if maybe it was the bears and all that stomping, because bears can't read signs that say things like, please do not stomp here. There are seeds and they are trying. Bears are not good at following directions. And then it is one more week. Not much looks different. This book has been going on a long time, and it's still just very, very brown. And the brown, still brown, has a greenish hum that you can only hear if you put your ear to the ground and close your eyes. Things are moving below the surface. And then it is one more week. How green is this? This is zero green. And a sunny day. That sunny day that happens right after a rainy day. And you walk outside to check on all that brown. And you take a dog with you. But the brown isn't around. And now you have green. All around, you have green. And there they are, off into the green. Waiting for spring feels like this. It snowed this week. Again, it snowed, which is ridiculous. Why is it snowing in the middle of April? And why, if it is snowing, is it not snowing better and sticking around that we could at least go sledding, if we could even leave our houses? It takes a long time for spring to come. It's brown a long, long time. And it feels that way too, maybe, if you're stuck in your house. If you've just heard that school is not going to be back in session this year, and you're going to be home for a lot longer than you expect, and your grown-ups are going to be home with you for a lot longer than you expect, trying to figure this out, trying to figure out how you're all going to do it. Things move slowly, and it's easy to lose hope and lose patience. It's easy, unless you're Pilot, who is apparently happy about everything all the time, it's easy to get grumpy. But one day, it will be spring. One day, bit by bit, we'll go back out again. One day, school will start up again. One day, your parents, your grown-ups won't be the only company that you have in person. One day, it's coming. It will be spring again.